All right. So, we are making pancakes, okay? All right. So, guys, the first thing is, look, do you see how here it says step 1, done is step 1, do is step 2, get ready is step 3, okay? The reason why is we have to start with what the end result should look like. So even though I'm going to use purple and not the correct color, all right, what is the end result of making, actually let me write up here first. All right, what is the end result of making pancakes?
Pancakes.
Okay, so I'm going to draw a really bad pancake, okay? Just draw.
Why really bad?
Should I put a little pat of butter on it?
Yeah.
Here, a little pat of butter, okay?
Maybe a square.
All right, that's our pancake. So guys, whenever you do something, when you're trying to accomplish a goal, and again, whether that's something with homework, okay, or it's something you're trying to do, you always have to have a picture in your brain of what you want the end result to look like, all right? So what I'm picturing is what a pancake looks like. Would that help you remember what a pancake looks like? It wouldn't, okay, all right. But you get the idea, all right? So I'm going to write up here because my drawing is so bad, finished pancake. So, guys, if I was doing this with a report in school, what I teach kids is, like, let's say you have to do, like, a 2-page report. What I actually do is draw, like, 2, like, icons that look like paper, you know, and so they show what, you know, like, so it would look like an actual paper, okay? Because that's the thing, you always have to have this picture in your brain. Okay, so this is the done step, is our finished pancake, okay? Now, there's one last step, but we're not going to talk about that yet. That's get done. Get done in our case means what? When we're making pancakes, we're all done, we've eaten our pancakes, we're full. What would be the last step, Aaron?
Cleaning up and like washing the bowls.
Cleaning up and washing the bowls. So, yes, thank you. So our last step, or get done, is cleaning up and washing the bowls. If you did like math homework that you had to hand in, what would be the get done step in math homework? Go.
Hand it in.
Handing it in, right. That's why I asked you guys how many of you have done homework and then forgot to hand it in. And the reason I asked that is because, you know, your brain makes it hard to remember this step, the get done step.
Or it could be like putting your backpack or like putting like the supplies you use away.
Well, here's the thing, right, guys? A lot of times what I hear kids do is that they do their homework, they put it away in their bag, and then they forget to hand it in the morning, okay? So get done is the very final step in that. So it could be handing it in to the teacher, it could be emailing it to the teacher, whatever, okay? All right, so thinking about the video, okay, let's do an order. What are the steps in making pancakes? Remember that we have mix that's already made, so the only thing we're really going to have to do is add water and mix it up, okay? So what's the first step in actually making the pancake?
Add water.
So add water to what? Just dump water on the floor?
Sure.
For real?
Add 100 cc's of water.
Okay.
To pancake mix. CC.
Okay, so how about this? How about reading the directions on the box? Would that be part of it?
Yes.
Okay, so that would actually be part of getting ready. So after we do all the steps for getting ready, and the doing part is, all right, what did you see in the video? Think about that. What did they do first?
Got a bowl.
Okay, what's that?
Got a bowl.
Got supplies.
Okay, well that's the getting ready part. Getting supplies is the getting ready part. What is the doing part?
Making pancakes.
Okay, but you have to be a little more specific, okay? Because what we're trying to do is think about the steps.
Read the instruction and follow what like they say.
Okay, so yeah, so reading the instructions is getting ready. Okay, the doing part would be first to get out our pan, right?
Putting
Go ahead.
in the ingredients to the bowl.
Okay, good. All right, we'll do that first. Putting in, I'm going to just abbreviate it into, oh great, because I'm left-handed, this is smearing. Okay, what would be the next step after putting ingredients into the bowl?
Add water.
Okay, so we're going to add our water, good. What would be the next step?
Add salt.
No, we don't have to do that, it's already in there.
Is this future
Add
planning?
eggs.
What's that?
Mix it.
Add oil.
Like, don't you add eggs?
Eggs? No, they're
Mix
already
it.
in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Add oil.
This is future
Like
planning, right?
Mix it.
And guys, so Aaron asked a really good question. He said, is this future planning? Yes, because future planning always starts with what we want the end result to look like, okay? So after adding water, what are we going to do? Then it's all ready to be made. What's the next step? Nick,
Like, put on the grill or whatever, like on the pan,
put it on the pan.
cook it.
Okay,
No.
so
Mix it.
how could we cook it if there's no heat?
What about mixing it?
Okay, so let's do that. So we'll do mixing, fine.
Until
Okay.
it's smooth.
Mix until smooth.
So you guys are missing a really big step here.
Turn the
all
heat
right?
on
Turn the heat on.
to
No,
medium.
preset the oven.
You don't do it in the oven. You do it
You
on.
turn the stove on to medium heat and lightly
Good.
grease the
So you
pan.
remember that from the video.
And then lightly grease the pan.
Okay. So hold on, Nick. Those are 2 steps. So
Oh, they are.
yeah. So what is the first one you said?
Like turn the stove on to medium heat.
Put stove on medium heat. I'm going to abbreviate here. And then what was the next step?
Then like put lightly grease it.
Okay, lightly greased pan.
Can I hear that in the video?
Okay, Nick B. What is the next step after lightly greased pan?
Put the batter onto the
Good.
pan.
So put the batter.
Onto the pan.
Okay.
About 3/4.
Pour.
Cup.
You said 3/4 of a cup.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Cup batter in. Okay, and then what's the next step? What did we talk about when should we flip the pancake? Nick.
When it starts to get brown and bubbly around the edges.
Okay, so flip. Can I say flip when ready?
Yeah.
Good. Right in there.
All right, and then what would be the last step?
Oh.
After we flip it, we know it's done. Then what would be the last step
Eat
in
it.
doing?
Put it on the
Ding, ding, ding. Put it on a
You
plate.
don't eat it on the pan.
Okay, excellent. So, guys, here's our doing steps. We put the ingredients in a bowl. We add water. We mix it. We put the stove on medium heat. We lightly grease the pan. We pour 3/4 of a cup batter in. We flip it when ready and put on a plate. Okay? And then our end result is
Pancakes.
finished pancake. Yes. Okay? So let's talk about the getting ready
Once
steps.
you get done eating.
All right, what are the steps to get ready to make pancakes? Nick,
You get the stuff.
get the stuff.
Buy it.
Okay, we already bought it, so get ingredients, we have that. Okay, I don't even know how to spell ingredients exactly, that's embarrassing. Alright,
You don't?
I think I do it. Well, anyway. Alright,
Well,
so after getting ingredients, what would be the next step?
It's not GRI.
What else do we need, guys, to get
Water.
ready to make pancakes?
Measuring cups.
Good, measuring cups.
Pan.
Wait, hold on. Measuring cup.
Pan.
Pan. Okay, guys, I want you to picture in your brain what else we might need to make pancakes. So we have ingredients, measuring cup, pan. Picture what else we might need. Go.
Bowl.
Instructions are on the box.
Bowl.
Okay.
Bowl.
Bowl. Okay, so I'm going to say pan, right? These can actually all go together. Bowl. What else?
Oil.
Oil. Good.
Good.
Well, I'm sorry. Oil would be under ingredients. Okay. Question, Nick B. What are we going to do to turn the pancake over when it's ready?
spatula.
So we need a spatula?
Spatula.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Spatula.
Okay, spatula. What else do we need? Anything else?
Yes. Measuring cups.
We have measuring cups. So we have ingredients, measuring cups,
Ooh.
pan, bowl, spatula. Aaron,
People to make it.
what else do we need?
Plate. To put it on the
Plates?
plate.
Okay.
Forks. Butter.
Okay, plates, forks.
And butter.
I like what you said, Nick. Oh,
Wait.
so oil, Nick. Oil would be under ingredients. But you know why I like that Nick said butter? Because butter is not an ingredient you need to make it, but it's something we want to put on it. What else might we want to put on a pancake?
Syrup.
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 Okay.
Syrup.
Ow.
All right, guys. Anything else we need here?
Applesauce.
Anything else we need here?
Powdered sugar.
Okay.
Applesauce.
So, guys, let's look at the whole thing now. Okay. So the end result we want to picture in our brain is a finished pancake.
Powdered sugar's good.
Okay. So this is step 1. Step 2 we looked at. We did the doing steps, right? And step 3 is the getting ready steps. Nick, please stop playing with those. Okay. So here's what we do now. Now that we've done this, we have one last step to do. What is the very last step?
Get done.
Okay, and Aaron, tell me again what getting done looks like.
Washing everything and putting everything away.
Okay. So Nick said eat. Yes, that is part of getting done. So eat and clean up, we'll say. Okay?
And share.
All right? So now that we finish this whole get ready, do done, what we're going to do is we're going to follow this from the beginning. We're going to get our ingredients, all these steps. We're going to do this and then this. So we do the get ready, we then do the do, and then do the done. Here's why we do this, guys. Why we plan backwards but then go forwards with it is because that's going to save us time, right? Because it kind of spells everything out so we don't have to be thinking about things, and it helps us not forget any steps along the way, okay? So it's going to save us time when we're making pancakes, and if you do this for something with school, like a report or something, it's going to save you guys time when you're doing homework, and it's going to give you more free time, okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool? All right, thank you. Questions?
No.
No? All right, thank you guys. You did an excellent job with this.